on Facebook.
21 minutes away from 8 a.m. A pleasure to invite in studio Andrea Barnett with Mercy One. They've got a big event coming up tomorrow, community health screenings. And Andrea, you said it's been a while since you've had the opportunity to do something like this.
Yeah, so we haven't been able to kind of do these community health screenings due to COVID. So we're glad to kind of bring this back and during Heart Month, which is a perfect time to bring this to our community.
And it'll be at the hospital, 1410 North 4th Street. So how does it work? Do people need to register? Just show up? How's it go?
They actually can just show up. So it's tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. They'll just come to the main hospital, like you said, 1410 North 4th Street. Come in the main lobby. We'll be all set up right there. We've got phlebotomists to draw the blood and different tests that we can do for that. And then we've got a nurse to do the blood pressure, which is free.
Let's talk a little bit about the health screenings because some of them do require a cost, so you might want to bring some cash or your checkbook with you.
Yep, and you do need to fast. So if you do want like your lipids done, you do need to fast for those. So I'll kind of just go through some of the costs here. Lipid profile, which is your cholesterol, HDL, LDL, and triglycerides, that's $15. Glucose is $10. We have a chem profile, which kind of includes the glucose, and then it also includes like liver enzymes and things like that. That is $30. You can also do like a combo. So if you wanted to do lipid and a chem, that's $40. And that would include all of those things. So, and then, or if you didn't want to do the chem, maybe, you don't need that. You just want the lipid and the glucose. That's $20. We also are offering hemoglobin A1C, which is kind of a history of your blood sugars. So it kind of looks back over the last 3 months and gives you an average. That's $20. We have a prostate antigen test, which is $30. And then if you wanted like a CBC, which is complete blood count, that's $10.
Seems like it's pretty comprehensive.
Mm-hmm.
And now when people come in, and of course this doesn't replace a trip to your physician, but would you recommend to them what type of test or screening they should take?
Yeah, so you're very right. So this does not replace your annual physical with your doctor, but it is a kind of a supplement. Let's say if you've had your annual test or your annual physical and you wanted to kind of follow up to see if you made some changes, your lipid profile is probably the one that we're most looking at is my cholesterol too high? Blood sugar is another one. The hemoglobin is kind of a test for diabetes. So those are really good tests to consider.
Okay, so they can come in beginning at 7 a.m. to the hospital at 1410 North 4th Street. Now, when will they get the results? How does that work?
Yeah, so what we'll do is when they come, they'll sign in, they'll give us their address, and then we'll just mail them right to their home. We are going to offer a brochure that has a whole array of other tests. So if they wanted to come to the old medical associates, North Health Plaza, they can get other tests, but they have to have a doctor with us. This they do not.
Okay. I would imagine you're going to be there kind of running the show, right?
I'll be there to help, yeah.
Okay, and directing them into the right position.
Yep.
So it's going to be right there in the main lobby. That's interesting.
Yeah. Well, it's pretty, we'll kind of be off to the side, kind of where the little cafe is, so the bistro. So we've done that for years. It kind of makes it easy so they don't have to walk through the hospital. You can just park, walk in, walk out. So,
what about mask?
I don't know if we're masking right now. I don't think we're masking, but of course, safety. If you feel like you want to wear a mask, please wear a mask. That's 100%. We're fine. We'll have masks available there. So
yeah, because there was a while, of course, everybody was wearing masks, and you went mask free, and then you went back to the mask again.
I know. I'm like, I think we're no masks right now, but I work at the clinic, so yeah, but I do think we're no masks. But again, we have masks available in case people would want to wear a mask.
Community health screening tomorrow morning at Mercy One Clinton Medical Center. Now, can people find out more information on your website, Andrea?
Yes, it is on the website, so you can go on there and see the whole kind of brochure of, the details more in depth, and you can look at the different tests that are available. It was on Facebook as well, and I know that they had it, we shared it on our Facebook, so you can go there. So anytime between 7 and 9, so you can come anytime during that time.
And if you could, again, real quickly, the screenings that will take place, Andrea.
Yep, so we got blood pressure, which is free. I don't know if I mentioned that one. We got lipid profile, that's your cholesterol, HDL, LDL, and triglycerides, and then glucose. You can put those together if you wanted, the lipid and glucose, and that's $20. Chem profile, which is kind of like the liver enzymes and some other tests that are included. If you wanted to do the lipid and chem, that's $40. The hemoglobin A1C is $20. The PSA, which is the prostate antigen test, is $30, and then the CBC, which is $10.
Well, I hope it goes well for you.
Yeah.
Again, the community health screening tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. at Mercy One Clinton Medical Center. And again, be sure that you do fast.
Yes, make sure you fast. That's the hardest part, probably. Just, you can take your medicines, drink water, but just remember, no coffee with creamer or sugar.
All right. Andrea, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.